Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of our camera being blocked on Omegle. So for that, open up your settings and here scroll down, then you will see app settings. Just click on it, then click on manage apps and here search for Chrome. Then you will see this option of app permissions. Just click on it and here click on camera and allow your camera for Chrome. Then go back and then you will see this microphone option. Just click on it and also allow it. Then go back and open up your Chrome and search for Omegle. Then click on it and after that you will see three dots on top right corner. Just click on it and click on settings. Scroll down and then you will see this option of site settings. Just click on it and here you will see camera option. Just click on it and allow your camera for this website. So after that, go to microphone and allow your microphone for Omegle, and that's how this issue can be resolved. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.